Today, we're building a $1,000 gaming PC in the United States, and the exact same $1,000 PC in a developing country. Same money, completely different results. And honestly, the difference is shocking. In the United States, around $300 buys you a Ryzen 5 7600X, a modern, efficient, extremely fast 6th generation Ryzen processor. But in developing countries, the exact same amount of money usually only gets you a Ryzen 5 5600 or even the older Ryzen 3600. That's not just a small downgrade. That's one or even two full generations behind. And that matters. Newer CPUs support faster RAM, faster motherboards, and deliver higher FPS. Older CPUs limit you from the very beginning. So before we even get to the graphics card, the budget build outside the US is already at a disadvantage. Now let's talk about graphics cards, where the real difference shows up. In the US, the RTX 3060 Ti goes for around $330. Very reasonable, very powerful for a budget gaming build. But in developing countries, the same card costs $470, $500, sometimes even more. It's not a better version, it's not overclocked, it's not upgraded. It's the same card, just more expensive because of taxes, customs, shipping fees, and retail markups. So in the US, a $1,000 build might even squeeze in an RTX 3070. But outside the US, you're lucky if the budget stretches to an RTX 3060. And the smaller parts aren't much better. RAM, SSDs, power supplies, all of them cost more outside the US. A 1 terabyte NVMe SSD that sells for $45 in America might cost $70 or $80 elsewhere. Power supplies jump in price too. Even cases and coolers cost more, leaving less money for the components that actually matter for performance. Then there are the hidden costs, the ones most people overlook. Shipping fees, custom taxes, smaller warranties, limited return policies, no Black Friday sales, no clearance deals, no massive online retailers competing for the lowest price. Your $1,000 slowly turns into $1,300 or $1,400 the moment the parts arrive in your country. And this is why gaming PCs feel so expensive outside the United States. It's not that people earn less, it's that every part in the build costs more. Less competition, smaller markets, higher taxes, longer shipping routes, all of it adds up. But here's the good news. Even in developing countries, you can build a great gaming PC if you play your cards right. Used parts, seasonal discounts, older generations with amazing price to performance value. If you want, I can make a full video breaking down the best budget PC builds for developing countries at every price point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.